So our scenario today is a classical cross-cultural friction point. So the Filipino team flexibility versus the German consultant demand rigid scheduling. So this is a monophonic time versus monooriented. Okay, let's go. So good evening everyone. So on monophonic topic of focus. In simple terms, the German consultant follows the monotonic time nowadays. So for the tawag na aim time, DC time is linear, like a train track. So we focus one task at a time. Then also value, punctuality, schedules, and lead times are similar. The last is impact. Any today's same as efficiency is restricted and strict for entire project success. Strict time is money.
Money is hard thing like in the Philippines use polyphonic time or P time. We see time as flexible like stream, then multitasking, managing interact is normal. And sa leadership yung rigid pay, we can reach safe pay, urgent client request, override the schedule. We build and we catch the quality of our work is important on exactly time.
Exactly. The German is literally and precise delivery. So we value the relationship and flexibility. This miscommunication leads us frustration. So we need to compromise.
John, this can only be extension was required at 9 o'clock, right? It arrived at 10:15. The 75-minute delay is unacceptable. The next stage 4 is paralyzed. Why can schedule be respected?
Mr. BP, as I understand your frustration, GP, please explain the situation.
Sir B, we have a critical issue. In the main HVAC line that requires immediate attention for safety and equipment preservation. We have diverted our base people, including Brad, to fix it. We prioritize the urgent, real-world maintenance we need over a paper deadline.
But the inspection report was scheduled. You are prioritized in one direction over the integrity of the project schedule.
GB, we also wanted to reject the integrity data by last time to ensure 100% accuracy. We believe the commitment to quality is the highest priority. We want you to trust our report.
Okay, the tension is clear. GB, you need the M-time commitment and John's team. You need the P-time flexibility for emergency and quality. Our solution is a hybrid schedule. Okay, we will introduce the 2 levels of deadline. First one, hard deadlines or M-time. For all critical, interdepartmental, or client-facing deliverable, these are non-negotiable. The Filipino team commits the German level punctuality here. The second, target dates or P-time. For internal particular tasks, we will aim for the target but suddenly emergency arises. Like the leak flexibility is prevented only with immediate or notification.
Okay, and to ensure immediate notification and accountability, we propose daily 10-minute stand-up huddle. And at every 4 p.m., we confirm the next day deadlines, hard deadlines, team reports on any target date, shifts from that day, explaining the reason, and the team reports confirm the news, strict delivery time.
Okay, good. A clear distinction between a hard deadline and a target date is good. And the immediate notification followed by confirm new time provide a structure as I require. It shifts from flexibility for its own sake to flexibility and accountability. I accept this framework.
Okay? We are happy to have the space to prioritize genuine emergency and be committed to treating hard deadline with the respect they need.
Then, let's move forward with this hybrid schedule. We'll draft the new protocol and distribute it by the end of the day.